Chai. Oh Bob. See Lagos what they do since they gather my funds, they gather everything. So I won't pack, enter, I won't leave Warri come Lagos. See the way water full everywhere. Lekki where they gather. Well, the agent tell me say na 5 million to give me one apartment for Lekki. Now they say man they do small Osusu they wait. Now we be like Warri come better like this so. Be like Warri come better like this. Jesus. See water. I'm say the flood carry some people motor. People motor go assign you. Oh Bob. But I'm gonna wait first. So wetin go fit dey cause this flood like this? Now the too much of the rain I been just say the weather get do it dey. Wetin fit be the cause of this thing now? Now because of the too much rain, I be one they open one pipeline for one side for Lagos like that. See even Lekki sef everywhere. People as water enter. This one no be go slow, no be traffic again for Lagos now. Flood now for Lagos. Now besides work go soon start for Lagos now. I know they go. Oh Bob, this is best advice. You be like to dey worry.